Today, we're going to make window clings with fabric paint.
Some assembly required.
Hello and welcome, or welcome back to our channel. So, a couple of videos ago, 2 videos ago, it doesn't matter, we were working with fabric paint making squishies, and I will link that video up here. So, since our fabric paints are still out, we also heard that you could make like window clings with them. So, all we're going to be doing today is figuring out some designs, simple designs, hopefully. Painting them. I have parchment paper and I have saran wrap. We'll try both of them. I don't know. It really should peel off the parchment paper just fine, but just in case it doesn't, we will also try this. I was thinking that maybe sandwich bags could also be fine. Just something clear I was thinking would be better because then you can just make your designs, like draw it somewhere and then use something see-through-ish, or at least kind of see-through.
I guess I'll use this because it'll be easier for me.
Yeah, I don't know. You can use like one of these and one of the other ones. It should come off all of it. We'll just tape it down nice and securely and it should be fine. So we'll use this, and then I have some slick fabric paint that we will paint on top of it, squeeze some. We also have toothpicks. We have at least one toothpick. I have a box of toothpicks. Where did it go? I don't know. That's a good question. I'm sure we'll find it. Now, today, I may have a hard time because my hands will not stop shaking. So if you see that in the video, I'm really sorry. I don't know what's going on with them. They are tired from yard work. I don't know. They're cranky. It's fine. So the first thing we'll do, I think that Lily already has her ideas, but we'll design our cling patterns
On the paper.
on some paper with some pencils, and then we'll get painting. Something cheerful, I guess, to stick on the window.
So we'll start.
Oyla had to come and help me because I could not remember what he looked like for the life of me, although I did get it pretty close. And I do hope that you appreciate all of my super wiggly wavy lines. Look at this. You can't even tell. It stopped. Okay, we have designs. And you can kind of see through. We might have to outline a little bit harder on the parchment paper ones, but all that's left to do is paint. This doesn't seem hard. Ask me again in a minute. I mean, it'll be hard like the 80 gajillion colors in the rainbow.
It'll be hard to do me.
It'll be hard to do you. I'm sorry. First we'll outline and then we'll paint. You don't have to outline if you're using something clearer, but for the parchment paper, it probably needs a little help. And Oyla, you, my friend, are gonna go sit over there so you don't get painty.
Okay.
Because you're not gonna like that. Yay! Finally. So we have put down all of our paint, and what have we learned? 1, this is very hard to do when your hands are shaky. 2, really make sure that you like squish all of your colors in so they definitely meet, because I feel like otherwise they'll peel off individually and it won't be like a united cling. The toothpicks were a great idea because then you can just sort of squeeze it out and then shove it into the corners and stuff like that with a tiny little thing. Like last time, I don't know if you've watched that before, but I would say it's better to use the paint straight out of the bottle because it's a lot more of a pain to like mix it and then apply it with a toothpick. It's possible. It can be done, but it is significantly more work. Oh. Another thing is I would recommend that you keep your designs nice and simple. These did not take a terribly long time. These took forever. So the only thing we have now to do is wait. I think that they will take a long time to dry. So I guess we'll check them in the morning. And really, like, fingers crossed that they'll be able to peel off. I feel like these will peel off a lot easier than these guys. My parchment paper is kind of wiggly. Like it's sort of, it seems like it's soaking in some of the moisture and getting wet, but they might work. All right, so we will clean up and we will just let these dry privately without us staring at them the whole time, I guess.
So it's the next day, and we've let them dry, and they look much flatter.
Yeah, we made them so thick, but it's a good thing because there's barely anything left to them at all. So I guess what we'll do is we'll try to peel them off and see if it works.
I'm gonna start with my heart.
I'm gonna start. All of mine look hard. Hey, it's working!
It worked!
Yay! Cool. So at the very least, we know that saran wrap totally works. How about this guy? Oh, it works too! Look it!
It's peeling.
It's peeling! Now, I'm not sure that the clouds are gonna stick to the rainbow.
You never know.
Oh, they did!
Well, that one did.
This one did! Come on, little putty!
The other one did too. Hooray!
Yahoo! We've got a rainbow! All right, so we will peel these off, and then we'll show you at the end. So you don't have to, watch us, each one.
But that may
This
be
one's
fun.
not gonna be pretty. Okay, we'll fast forward. Yes!
Hooray! Come on, butterfly. Oh, I really thought those antennas weren't gonna work.
Yeah, they work. This is surprisingly successful.
So all of mine worked.
Good. So this one is probably the worst, which is ironic because it says hope. But I blame it a little bit on the fabric paint. It was sort of supposed to be like a neon kind, and it was. You used the neon kind too.
This
It
was
a
the
little,
neon kind. It shriveled.
It was a little. It was a weird texture. It was kind of slimy, kind of like extra wet. So it shrank a lot when it was drying. So the H and the O sort of popped apart. But it still kind of
Look,
works.
you can still see.
Yeah, it's funny. Some of the colors left sort of a transfer on
Except it's
on the paper.
orange
Yes,
and blue.
orange and blue and bright yellow. But the most important thing is
They worked.
it actually worked. I was skeptical. I mean, in theory, I figured it would work, but you never know really until you try it. Maybe it was a little bit more work using the parchment paper
Because you couldn't really see.
because you had to go over the outlines.
I would recommend using the...
Yeah, the saran wrap seems fine. But if you are not a plastic fan, the parchment paper is fine. It peeled off. I was worried that it would kind of sink in and stick, but nothing sticks to parchment paper. Not even the tape they used to tape it down. Ha! Cool. So we are going to go find some cool windows and see how they look on. And we'll show you that right now. So I think that they turned out pretty well. I mean, the ones that Lily made on the plastic definitely stick better.
On the windows.
On the windows. Yeah, the ones on the parchment paper
Don't stick as
stick, but they're kind of wavy because the parchment paper got, kind of damp and buckled. I don't know how do you say that? They got wavy. So stickier on super duper flat plastic surfaces, but parchment paper works too if you prefer that. It's fine. It's
It
fine.
doesn't work as well.
It works. It's just not as sticky. When you're moving them, make sure you don't stick them together because they have a tendency to stick if they're the sticky ones. So just keep them separated unless you want them to stick, in which case, that's cool. That's fine. But I was pleasantly surprised. I was like, yeah, maybe it'll work, but it works. You know, you can do this for every season, or you can write inspirational messages, or you can just make pretty stuff on your window. Pretty is cool. So I hope that you have a chance to try this, and if you're getting fabric paint anyway, you should probably also make a squishy, because that is super fun. And I don't know, paint on some fabric. That's what they're for. Give them a chance to do their job. We hope that you enjoyed this, and go out and try this project, because it was fun. It was a good use of time.
Not hard for you, right?
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already and you feel moved to do that, it's pretty easy. You just click the subscribe button. And then while you're there, click the notifications so that you know as soon as new videos come out on Tuesdays and Saturdays in the morning. And you can stay totally up to date on all the stuff that we're doing, which is a lot of different stuff. And until next time, we will make more plans and then see you on the next video. Bye!